Hello, everyone. My name is Carl Marshall. Thank you for joining me today for an overview of TCG Talent Recruitment App. TCG Talent Recruitment App is an innovative solution for efficient talent acquisition. TCG Talent Recruitment App is a unified recruitment management. The app centralizes job postings, candidate pipelines, interviews, and onboarding in one platform. Its intuitive, customizable interface offers a clean, model-driven interface that is easy to use, scalable, and customizable for teams. It has improved collaboration, facilitates better collaboration between HR and hiring managers to accelerate hiring workflows. Its key features: automated candidate tracking, tracks applicants through recruitment stages with visual dashboards and real-time status updates. Integrated interview scheduling simplifies interview coordination and collects feedback efficiently within the app. Resume parsing and evaluation automates data entry by extracting key information from resumes for quick candidate assessment. Collaboration and workflow automation enables real-time collaboration and automates notifications, approvals, and onboarding tasks. So multi-client, multi-entity recruiting allows recruiters to track roles and applications across multiple entities. Top use cases: job posting management. Create and manage job listings across platforms with centralized control for efficient recruitment. Candidate pipeline tracking. Monitors applications through recruitment stages to streamline hiring decisions. Interview coordination. Schedule interviews, send reminders, and capture feedback to improve the hiring process. Reporting and analytics. Generate hiring insights, track metrics, and assesses recruiter performance to support strategy. Let's go to the solution. Here in the platform, here we have the views on this side, which is the site map. And here across the top, we had a navigation bar. So it all starts with applications. So in the application form, you have the application number. You have the role that has been applied for. You have the organization, which we'll come back to later. You have the candidate information, first name, last name, email address, and here you have where you can upload the candidate resume, and you have a timeline, which will show everything that has been done as you do activities in this form. So here at the top, you have the process automation. You have the screening for the recruitment process. You have the screening, you have the interview, you have an offer. So there will be another place in this platform to actually do interviews, but this interview is more so for like a screening and then just an interview. Okay, so again, this is the application. Um, so you go here to for a new application, you go to new button and put in a new application. So the application number will generate automatically. You put in the role that they're applying for, uh, and the candidate information. Once you put save, not save and close, once you put save, you'll be able to upload the candidate's resume. So again, this is the application view and form. So the next view that we'll look at and form that we'll look at is the roles view. In the roles view, it shows you all of the roles that the candidates are applying for. So here you also see the department that the roles that the open roles are in. Here you see whether the roles are open or filled. So this is the active roles. So to create a new role, you click new, of course, and you put in information for the new role that is going to be open, the new open role. Here you have where you can put in the required skills for the role. So this is the roles view. Let's go back out of here. So next, you have the contacts, which is the candidates who are applying for the roles through application. So here you just click and you can see the information about the candidate, which is what you are filling in for the candidates. So to add a new candidate, you just go here once again, click on new, add the details of the candidate. So our next view and form that we will look at is the candidate's interview. So as I shared with you before, back in the applications, there was a process flow for the interview. Once again, this one is for a single interview, not a um, not a multi-interview process. You have the screening, you have the interview. But back here in the candidate view, so we don't have any candidates right here, but in the candidates view, so if you do add new, you will see that process flow that we talked about. As you can see, it's a multi-interview process. So you fill in the information for the new candidate's interview, the candidate information, email, what application that they have, the application number that they put in for. For instance, application 1000. You put in the role. You'll put in the interview status, scheduled, completed, passed, the phone interview date, the interviewer, and the score rating, which is going to be after the interview. And once you put in the information and save, not save and close, then you'll see where you can update, where you can upload the information, upload the resume for the candidate. And here's more information about it. When the interview was created by, modified by, and next action steps after the second interview. So this is a more detailed interview, a multi-phase interview. So back out of here. Then we have the activities view. So the activities view is where you see all of the activities that has been done related to an application, a role, and all of these things. All of the activities that you do. For instance, like an appointment, email, fax, letter, phone call. So you'll see all of the information regarding the what goes on in each of the forms. And our next one is for our work is dashboards. Which give you detailed information about, for instance, active roles, field roles, open roles, Let's go to another one. So here you can see the dashboards on active applications. So just detailed dashboards. Give you all your analytics. Let's go to another one. Here again, detailed information. So lastly, I told you when we went here to application and briefly discussed organizations that we'll talk about it a little later. So here again, in the organizations, this is pretty much for third-party recruiting companies who recruit for other organizations. Everything else that we went over is talking about, for instance, just one company recruiting for their company. So this is for a third party recruiting company recruiting for multiple companies. So the software, the platform can be used either just for in-house recruiting for a company, or a third party company recruiting for multiple companies, or a enterprise company that has several different child companies. So this can be each one of the child companies they're recruiting for as well. You got company one. And here you can see all of the applications that falls under company one, and the roles and the candidates and the interview information. So this is pretty much the gist of the application. The application can do much more. We can use Power BI for visualization if you want to deep dive into dashboards and charts and all of those things. So you can use Excel to run a report. You can use other Excel functions, opening Excel online. You can use import from Excel. So it's just so much more that this platform can do, but these are the basic functions of the platform for TCG Talent Recruitment Platform. So again, just to reinstate, easy access to the solution. Organizations can start improving hiring by purchasing the app directly from the marketplace listing. It's a user-friendly recruitment app. The TCG Talent Recruitment app offers an intuitive and powerful tool for transforming recruitment purposes. And most of all, it uses the Microsoft ecosystem integration. So seamless integration with Microsoft products ensures smooth adoption and enhanced productivity for business. So I just want to say thank you everybody for joining the call today. And again, any information, just reach out to us. Look for us on the Microsoft App Source, and look for the TCG Power, the TCG Talent Recruitment app. And or you can look us up at techcgroup.com. That's techcgroup.com for more information. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Have a great day.